Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to create realistic table sim in Blender. And in this tutorial I'm going to use this table which I made not a while ago. If you want it, I'll just put it in the description for you to download it for free. Now press Shift A and add a plane. Press GZ and move it up. Now tap to edit mode, right click and subdivide. Click here, change the number of cut to 20. Tap to object mode. Now go to the physics tab and add a cloth physics. Now in the search bar here, type self and check self collision. Now cancel the search. Select this tabletop. Go to the physics tab again and then select collision to add a collision to the table top. Select these legs, add a collision physics again, select this one, collision, select this and add another collision. Now press spacebar on your keyboard to simulate the cloth. Perfect. Now select the cloth, go to the modifiers tab and add a solidify modifier. Right click and shade smooth. In order to solve the shading problem, you're gonna use a subdivision modifier. Just press Ctrl 1 to add a subdivision modifier. I think this thing is floating on the table, so let's go back, then press play again. Nice. Now go to the shading tab. I already textured my table. I use textures that I got from Polyheaven, so you can find one for yourself too. So I'm gonna find the cloth texture that I downloaded and boom, you have your cloth textured. Go to the render view and then go to the camera view. Click on this to lock the camera. Press Shift A and add a light, maybe an area light. G, Z and move it up. Press G again and move it here. R to adjust the rotation. Shift D to duplicate the light, move it here. Press R and then adjust it again. Go to the light data tab and then increase the power to around 800. Oh, 800 is too much. Maybe 200. Perfect. And then increase this one to same 800. Then I'm gonna go to the select this one and I'm gonna go to the shadow and then uncheck it. I don't want shadow from that one, and then select this one too. Press G and move it closer. Now let's create a floor. So press Shift A and then add a plane. Press S to scale. Let's switch to camera view by pressing numpad 0. Yep. I think this one is not right enough. So select this light, change it to area, Press RY to adjust the light. Now switch to your camera view again. Okay, now you can go ahead and render your scene as we are pretty much done. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like or share. See you on the next video.